I've always tell people that it takes just one video for you to get all your subscriber counts and watch hours. This is the truth that most content creators will tell you, but most of us believe that it's a lie. But let me tell you, this is a truth that sounds like lie because I've actually experienced it and I've known that yes, this thing really works. On my second channel, I was able to get 700 plus subscribers just for one particular video. Yes, one particular video gave me 700 plus subscribers. Just as you can see on my screen, I'm more than 1k subscribers on that channel right now. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to do it, what I did on that channel, because I went back to study that video to know what I did on that video and actually be able to come up with some things that I did, and I'm going to share it with you on this video. So if today's your first time coming across this channel, welcome to Growth Nation. This is a channel where we content creator come together to share our ideas, share knowledge, and also grow together. So if you have anything that's bothering you as a content creator, just drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. So I'll be telling you what I did on the video, things you need to know when scripting your video description, your hashtag, your keywords. Yes, so these are things that will really help you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything. So I'd like you to pay attention. And if you're not yet subscribed, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, turn notification bell, so at any time a video just like this, you'll get notified. Okay guys, so this is my second channel. Yes, you can see I have more than 1k subscribers on this channel. So this 1k subscriber that I have on this channel, it was just one video that got me more than 700 subscribers. Yes, more than 700 subscribers came from just one particular video, and I'm going to be telling you how I did it. Yes, because there was steps that I take, how I was able to optimize it that make it look like this. So now let me show you the video first of all. Okay guys, so this is the video over here. You can see this is the video. So if I should click on the video, as you can see on the video right now, I have 4.9k views. Yes, and the 4 months since I made this video. Yes, when I didn't make the video did not do well, but I went to redo some things on the video. Then all of a sudden the thing pick up. So the first thing you will notice on this video is the thumbnail. Yeah, the thumbnail, as you can see, the thumbnail look great. Yes, this is the third thumbnail that I'm designing from this particular video. The third thumbnail, I did the first one, it did not go well. Then after some times I did another one and that one pick up. As time goes on, I saw that that one was reducing and I did this one again, which third one, and video have actually picked up again. So for 4 months now, this video have been my top one video, and it was something that I did on this video that I'm going to be showing you. So first of all, thumbnail. Yes, the thumbnail, you don't need to stick to one thumbnail. When you see that your thumbnail is not good, it's not working well, change it. Yes, as time goes on, change it until you see that it's actually working. Another one is the title. Yes, title. When I uploaded the video, this was not the first title I used. This is actually my fourth time of changing this title. The fourth time of changing title. I first use Google Trend to search for title. I use different app. I search for title on YouTube, and the third way which I was able to search for title, no, the fourth way, because actually it was the fourth one that I was able to get on that good title to use. And on that fourth one, I'm going to be showing you at the end of the video how I was able to come up with this particular title. Yes, and this title have been really good. Yes, so now let's go into the main video. As you can see here, the views, I have 4.9k views and it's ranking 1/10. As you can see here, it's ranking 1/10, 4.9k views, 14.1% click-through rate, and average view of 130 duration, which is not good. It's not really good, sure, but I'm glad that it was still able to pick up, because with this 1.30 view duration, average view duration, most videos don't actually do well, but this one really went well. So now let's continue. So if I should click on it, You see that as over here we still have the one 4.9k views, and here you see that my watch hour is 123. I got 123 watch hours from this particular video. And audience retention, you can see as I told just now, the read time, which is right now in every 48 hours and getting 67 views. You have dropped before. Yesterday it was 100 views that I was getting for every 48 hours, but right now I think you have dropped. It normally do that fluctuate. Later it will kick up. So now let's see, continue. Over here you can see that I have 210 subscribers. You will say, okay, I told you that I got 700 plus subscribers, right? Yeah, so first of all, write down these 210 subscribers. I'm going to show you how I got it. Now let's continue. 210 subscribers, right? So YouTube showed my video to 18.4k people, and out of that 18.4k, 14.1% click on it, and which was 4.9k views. And there was a lot of people. This is content generation my video. So this content generating your video is one great tool that you can use to actually rank your video. So if you will check here, some of my videos are here that actually suggesting this video. So I'm going to be showing you everything what I did on this channel. Like I already show you one title and description. No, title and hashtag. I'm sorry, title and thumbnail. Yes, title and thumbnail. So the rest two I'll be showing you is your keyword, your description, and your hashtag. So now let's continue. The new viewer is not actually here because the number is to show it for every 48 days, I guess. Yes. So engagement, blah blah blah. So this everything, audience. So if I should go to my audience, look at these are some of video that my audience that watch the video still watch. Divide type, mobile. So what kind of people watch my video from 18 to 24 and also from 24 to 38? It's mainly for young adult, which is 18 to 25. And the gender that watch my video more is male. Yes, my fellow male, my fellow guys who actually watch my video actually came from Nigeria. Yeah, the top geography. Why this thing is actually coming from top geography? Because I did something to actually optimize the description, the video. Yeah, because that was where most time when before I upload video, when I upload video, it does not go to Nigeria. It goes to other country like Philippines, India, Russia. But this particular video, I did something on it that they channel all my views to Nigeria people. That it was Nigeria people that was seeing my videos, and that was what really helped them to subscribe to my channel. And over here, what time for subscriber, which means that people that watch my video, they are mostly non-subscribers. Yeah. So now, how did I get the subscriber? Yes, I know that you might be thinking that I'm lying. So now let me go. So this video, as I saw that it was really doing great, this was what I did. I went to cut the video. The first part of the video, I cut it and use it for short. Here's it. This is it over here. This is it over here. The first part of the video, I cut it out and use it for shorts. And as you can see, the shorts have 28k views, 1.1k views, 1.1k like, and more than 100 comments. So let me click on it. So I just can see everything here. I see everything here. Let's just continue. So 28.4k views. So this is it over here. So the shorts gave me 518 subscribers. 518 subscribers. So 518 subscribers plus 210. That is more than 700 subscribers. So that was what I actually meant. So now get it to how did I do it? Because I've been making videos ever since, and no one have actually gotten to this stage. So how was I able to do it? Why was this video different? Now let me go and tell you. So first of all, how did I generate my title? Yes, so your title and your description and your thumbnail are one thing that actually important when it comes to you creative video, your thumbnail and title. So how did I come up with my title? I'll be showing you how I come up with my thumbnail later, but first of all, let me show you how I come up with my title. So what I use to come up with my title is this app called VIQ. Yes, I know that if you're a creator, you should know this app, and if you're not yet started using it, I urge you to start using it. It's very good. So how did I come up with my title? So what I know I do, I come over to this place that says keyword. This way I generate my titles and keywords from. So I go to over there, click on it. Then I just imagine the kind of topic that the kind of video I'm making. Let's say my video is how to grow on YouTube fast. Yes, how to grow a YouTube channel fast. Let's say that is what I want to make video on. I'll just search for it. How to grow your YouTube channel fast. So once then I search for it, you can see this is it. 5 is now is ranking 50/4, which means the search value is 54 and the competition is lower than the search value, which means that you can actually use it. Yes, the competition is the competition is lower than the search value. You can what I just do, I copy it, but I've not gotten to my title yet, but I've just gotten something to use for my description, for my keywords. Yes, so I copy it. Then so if you come over to the down here, you see the one that have higher this thing 63, how to grow YouTube channel. So click on it. You can see this one is higher, having 70, and this competition is still low. So over here, this one right now that is having 63/100, I can actually use it for my YouTube title, my video title. So what I just do, I copy it, boom, then I've already got my title. So this is not where it ends. So you see all this one over here at the down, I use them, I write them down and I use them for my keywords. Yes, so I normally get up to 300 to no, I'm sorry, I normally get up to 15 keywords from here. Then I write it down. So once I'm done writing it down, next thing is to go and optimize my description. So now so to do it, so anytime you get any one here, if you should click on anyone here, it will take you to another place and you'll be able to get your description. You'll be able to get more keywords. So here is where I generate my keywords to know which one have high. Anyone that I see that the competition is higher than the search value, I don't use it. So it's automatically show that it's not usable. So that just it. Now let me show you how I create my description. So the next thing I do once I've gotten my keywords and my title, to get my description, I normally go back to my listing where I've actually written down my title and my keywords. So all I just have to do is just to copy them. So first of all, I just copy my keywords, then I copy my title. The next thing is to get to my ChatGPT. Once I get to my ChatGPT, the first thing I do is to paste in those my keywords, paste them in, back it, then use these prompts. Look at the prompts I'm using. Using the above keywords, write me an SEO optimized description for my YouTube video titled, I'll put title, then I'll put make sure to include hashtag. So what this is basically mean that they are going to use that your above keywords to write a description for you. So now let's go. As you can see, then this is it. So just for me to copy it, I don't like going through all those threads. I just write make it a ready to copy and paste code. Then just put it, boom. I can now just copy it now and go back to my notes and paste it there. Then copy, go back to my notes and paste my description for when I'm gonna use them. So I have my description, just simple like this, just as easy as this. So that is just it. So if you have any question, go to the comment section and drop it in the comment section. And also, if before I leave, let me tell you how I normally get my title, my thumbnail. So normally my thumbnail, I normally get the idea from YouTube. Anytime I have a video to me, I just go to YouTube and search for it on YouTube. Then I just pick from any of the thumbnail that I think is attractive there, then I design it. So if you want to learn how I design my thumbnail myself, yes, because I design it from scratch, not Canva. I don't use Canva to design. I design everything from scratch. If you want to learn how I do it, so basically go to comment section and let me know in the comment section. That might basically be my next video. So guys, there is just it. Very simple. So I hope that you will actually implement this on your next video. If you are going to implement this on your next video, please do, and also tag me along once you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really do, don't leave without subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and also like this video. I hope to see you on my next video. Thanks.